Hi friends, welcome back to our channel I Study for You. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you find this video is helpful. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Also, if you think this video can benefit others, please share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest educational videos. Alright, let's get started with today's lesson. To improve efficiency and consistency, we have utilized AI generated voice for this video. We are committed to providing high quality content and welcome your thoughts on this approach.
Human rights, meaning, nature, and classification. Meaning of human rights. Human rights are fundamental rights and freedoms that every individual is entitled to simply because they are human. These rights are inherent, inalienable, and universal, meaning they apply to all people regardless of nationality, race, religion, gender, or any other status. Human rights ensure that every person can live with dignity, freedom, equality, justice, and peace. Nature of human rights. 1. Inherent. Human rights are inherent in all individuals by virtue of their humanity. They are not granted by any state or authority and cannot be taken away. 2. Universal. Human rights are universal and apply to all people, regardless of where they live, their culture, or their beliefs. The universality of human rights is enshrined in international agreements like the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR. 3. Inalienable. Human rights cannot be taken away, surrendered, or transferred. They are inalienable because they are essential to the dignity and freedom of every person. 4. Indivisible and interdependent. Human rights are indivisible and interdependent, meaning that the enjoyment of one right often depends on the enjoyment of others. For instance, the right to education can impact the right to work and the right to a decent standard of living. 5. Protective. Human rights provide protection against abuses and ensure that individuals can live freely and safely. They are essential for maintaining justice and the rule of law in society. 6. Evolving. Human rights can evolve over time to address new challenges and circumstances. They can be expanded and interpreted to better protect individuals in changing social, economic, and political contexts. Classification of human rights. Human rights can be classified into various categories based on their nature, scope, and the issues they address. Here, we classify them into civil rights, political rights, economic rights, social rights, and cultural rights. 1. Civil rights. These rights protect individuals' freedoms and ensure their personal safety and freedom from undue interference by the state. Examples. Right to life and personal liberty. Ensures that every individual has the right to live and the freedom to make personal choices without unjust interference. Freedom from torture and cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment. Protects individuals from being subjected to physical or mental harm by others, especially by authorities. Right to equality before the law and equal protection of the law. guarantees that all individuals are treated equally and fairly under the law. Right to privacy in family life. Protects individuals' personal lives from arbitrary interference and ensures respect for family and home. Freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. Ensures individuals can hold their own beliefs and practice their religion freely. 2. Political rights. These rights ensure individuals' ability to participate in the political life of their society, contributing to the decision-making process and governance. Examples. Right to participate in government and free elections. Allows individuals to take part in their country's political processes and elect their representatives. Freedom of speech and expression. Ensures individuals can express their opinions and ideas without fear of retaliation. Freedom of assembly and association. Allows individuals to gather and form groups for any lawful purpose, including protests and unions. Right to vote and be elected. Guarantees that all eligible individuals can vote in elections and run for public office. Right to access public service in one's country. Ensures that individuals can work in public services and benefit from public institutions without discrimination. 3. Economic rights. These rights ensure that individuals have access to the resources and opportunities necessary for a decent standard of living. Examples. Right to work and to just and favorable conditions of work. Ensures everyone has the opportunity to work and receive fair treatment and safe working conditions. Right to fair wages and equal pay for equal work. Guarantees that individuals receive fair compensation for their labor without discrimination. Right to form and join trade unions. Allows individuals to organize and join unions to protect their interests and rights in the workplace. Right to social security. Ensures individuals have access to financial support in cases like unemployment, disability, or old age. Right to an adequate standard of living. Ensures everyone has access to basic needs such as food, clothing, and housing for a dignified life. 4. Social rights. These rights guarantee that individuals have access to essential social services and opportunities for personal and community development. Examples. Right to education. Ensures everyone has access to quality education that allows them to develop their abilities and participate fully in society. Right to health and medical care. Guarantees access to healthcare services necessary for maintaining health and well-being. Right to family and child welfare. Ensures support and protection for families and children to promote their welfare and development. Right to social services and support. Ensures access to services that support individuals' social and economic well-being. Right to participate in social and cultural life. Allows individuals to engage in the social and cultural activities of their communities. 5. Cultural rights. These rights protect individuals' ability to engage in and benefit from cultural practices and contribute to cultural life. Examples. right to participate in cultural activities and benefit from cultural heritage, ensures individuals can engage in cultural activities and access cultural heritage, right to access and enjoy the arts and scientific advancements, allows individuals to benefit from and contribute to the arts and scientific progress, right to maintain and develop cultural identity and practices, protects individuals' rights to preserve and promote their cultural identities and practices, right to cultural expression and access to cultural resources, ensures freedom of cultural expression and access to cultural resources and knowledge, right to education that respects and promotes cultural diversity, ensures education systems respect and encourage cultural diversity and understanding. Human rights are essential for the well-being and development of individuals and societies. They form the foundation of freedom, justice, and peace in the world, ensuring that every person can lead a dignified life.